dear parents, as we all know that in today's world, the children are growing up and surrounded by technology. The use of the smartphone, the laptop, the iPad, make them to have the digital world at their fingertips. As good as this can be, it comes with certain challenges. In this video, I'll be talking about digital literacy with the focus on safe and responsible way of using technology by children. What is digital literacy? Digital literacy is the ability to use the technology safely, effectively, and responsibly. Digital literacy for children is just the understanding of how to navigate the internet, how to use the apps, and how to interact and engage on social media with the understanding of the potential risk that is involved in using this. The first lesson we need to teach the children is digital safety. As good as internet is, it can expose children to harmful content as well as people that have bad intention. Then how do we keep our children safe? Privacy settings. Make sure that the privacy setting of your child on social media or maybe on their gaming profile should be enabled. Turn it on so that it will limit the total number of people that can contact them or that can interact with them, or people that can view their profiles. Tell your child not to share personal information with people they don't know. Personal information such as their full name, the address of your house, and also the name of the school they are going to, even people they consider as friends. You know, when we were growing up, our parents would tell us, don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers. Same way we tell our children, don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to people you don't know. We also need to emphasize this online. They should not be friends with people they don't know or accept friend requests from people they don't know, because they are children. If it's adults can at least know when someone is real or not, but when it comes to children, they don't know. So because of that, just tell them, don't be friends with strangers. Don't be a friend with stranger online. Online friend, you don't know them, so don't be friend with them. As parents, we need to worry about their screen time. You know, sometimes because we are busy, we just tell them, no, take this phone and be playing games and like that. Yes, we need to be concerned about their screen time, because the screen time can affect their sleep, it can affect their health, it can even affect their physical, it can affect their concentration, because you see some, because they are watching something on TV or they are pressing phone. Even when you say go and put this thing inside the house, somebody can just go and open fridge and put it inside the fridge because lack of concentration. So we need to limit their screen time also as parents. Then how do we do this? How do we limit their screen time? We actually need to set a clear rules as per when and when they can use the screen, or the length of using the screen. Is it 1 hour? Is it 2 hours? Is it after homework? Is it at the time they just need to relax when they finish their learning and doing homework? So we actually need to set the screen time for the children by putting rules. As parents also, we just need to also minimize our own screen time, because you know, children, they learn a lot. Anything they see us doing, that's what they will do also. So if you limit your screen time, they will also limit theirs. It will help them to limit theirs too. Designate some areas in the house and call it tech-free zone. That means whenever they are there, they can't use their screen. Maybe the bedroom, the dining table. Then this will help them to balance the screen time and the family time. Apart from teaching them digital safety, we also need to teach them how to behave when they are online. So we need to teach them about cyberbullying, not to use online to bully anybody for any reason. And even when they are bullied online, they need to report to trusted adults or to report to the parents. So they should know that the consequence of they should know the consequence of what they are posting or what they post. They should know that their word can make someone. So whatever they post online, they need to know that it's very, very important. They need to know that they need to have empathy. They should be kind to people even when they go online. You don't use your words to bring people down or to bring another person's word down. So cyberbullying is really just like the way nobody wants anybody to bully him or her. So don't bully anybody online. Instead, be kind. Another thing is to let the children know that they don't need to copy someone else's work and claim it to be theirs without giving credit to the author or giving credit to the owner of the work. Even if it is home work, even if it is anything, instead of just copying somebody's work word for word, you can get idea for somebody's work, but you have to make it your own by changing what you have there, changing your word, making it your own word. But you can't just copy somebody's work word for word and say you are the owner. No, it's really wrong. So you should give credit to the owner of the work. So they need to credit the source where they get the information from. When we do this, we teach them about plagiarism. That means you don't need to copy someone else's work and make it your own. We also need to teach the children that it's not everything they see online that is correct or that is true. They need to verify to find out what's the source of this information. Is it correct? Is it real or not? They shouldn't believe. It's not everything they see that is real or that is true. So we need to teach them that also. Okay, I've talked about how the children should be safe online and also how they should behave when they go online. Okay, technology is not just all about the risk. It has its own advantages, so many advantages, and the children can leverage this technology to learn and improve their performances in the school. So there are lots of online and apps that can help children to learn. App like K-An Academy, ABC Mouse, Scratch programming. This can help them and make them to be self-dependent even when they are learning and can improve their performance at school. Teaching digital literacy is more than just technology. It's about safety online. It's about how they should behave online, and it's about all the tools available that children can use to learn on. It is about guiding our children to be safe online, to be responsible, and giving them guidelines and rules for them to be a responsible online users. So, teaching digital literacy is not just all about technology. It's about guiding our children to be smart, safe, and responsible user of the technology. If you find this video useful, kindly like it and share it with your friends or share with other parents that you know. See you in the next video.